question number 42, which is from DBMS, and it is from normalization form. Okay, I'm reading out this question for you. They have given four schema, and they want to know, is it in which of the following schema is in 3NF but not in BCNF. You know that according to BCNF, the left hand side must be a candidate key, and according to 3NF, the left hand side a candidate key, and another thing, that is if there is another dependency, like here, if a table like A, B and C, and A is a candidate key, B is a candidate key, then if a relation like this, C determines B, this is qualified to 3NF. Okay, so let's check option by option. Schema 1, here registration is a table, schema roll number and courses, where roll number is the primary key, and they have given the non-trivial dependency roll number courses. Of course it is in 3NF and BCNF also, because left hand side is primary key. Okay, so this is not an option. Okay, schema 2, registration roll number course ID together is candidate key or primary key and email. So here it is given roll number course ID email. Okay, so this is qualified for BCNF, but email roll number, no, this is not qualified for BCNF but it is qualified for third normal form, because roll number is a prime attribute. Prime attribute means part of a candidate key or primary key. So this option is, so this is 3NF but not in BCNF. Okay, this is BCNF. Okay, option C, registration, the primary key is roll number and course ID together, marks and grade. Roll number and course ID is determining marks grade, so it is qualifying for BCNF, and marks grade, and this is not qualifying for BCNF, and this is also not qualifying for third 3NF. So this is not 3NF as well and not BCNF as well. Okay, schema 4, roll number and course ID is together candidate key and credit. Roll number and course ID determining credit, so it is qualified to BCNF, but this is course ID credit, this is not qualifying to BCNF as well is not qualifying to third normal form. Okay, so this is also not BCNF or third normal form. So only one option which is in which is not in BCNF but in third normal form according to the question, that is schema 2. So for this question, B is the answer.